yes, September. Home of the pumpkin spice lattes, Uggs, sugar spice, and everything nice. But that's the classy version. As I always say, bitches love fall, and it officially tis the season. And since the last few falls, you watched me turn the second bedroom in my new house into a ballroom, this year I am taking it from Fairytale to just straight up fairy. Mostly because I've always wanted to live in an enchanted forest, and this really just seems like my chance. So grab your fairy wings, ladies and gents. The Sky Castle presents Fall Fairytale.
I think we should start with this. One basic bitch pumpkin spice latte, please. Oh my gosh, and Taylor Swift is playing. Basic bitch season is in full swing. I love it. Good morning to my favorite store. Oh, like, oh boy, are we ever going to have fun for Halloween this year. But for now, we're gonna do some happy fall decor because it's not October yet. Ooh, these are gorgeous. I actually love the idea of doing like kind of like a yellowy burnt orange kind of theme. I think that could be really elegant. Oh, I like this. Oh, even more. Oh, it's everywhere. Oh, this is so great. For me, oh, I shouldn't have. Yes, I should have, actually. I deserve it. I was looking at some pictures on Pinterest earlier. I'm thinking actually something-ish, you know? I always just come here and see what I find and I like, but something along those vibes. Rich hotel auntie vibes. Glitter. Okay, wow, actually, yes. Okay, so there's actually a lot of different options. We could go with something like muted like this, or we could do classic electric fall colors, or we could do more of that like golden kind of fall.
Oh no, there's too many choices.
I guess we'll just wander around and see what I like best. Hello, little guys. Oh, doo-doo-doo. Pop into Christie's Flowers real quick. Ooh la la. Oh God, I love this place. You know, I actually think I really like the idea of like a peachy, brownish fall. This could be nice. So fun. Ta-da, yay! Wow, while we wait for the checkout, how about an ad? Hello, yes, shop 333. You know, while we're right next to a Home Goods, I can't help myself. I love Home Goods. Ooh, a giant gold turkey. I love this. Oh my God. Oh, this is beautiful. Ooh, could get some pretty golden pumpkins. These are really nice. Oh my gosh, stop. This is so cute. Oh my God, and a candy corn. Oh, look, amber leaves. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's finally time. Actually, that was disappointing. That wasn't. Ooh, yay! Boogeyman, are you so excited? You love fall. All right, we got all the goods to decorate. Yeah, yeah. George, please relax. All right, so we'll set this up and get started. Bye. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the Pinterest Tumblr ballroom before I decorated. Isn't this just so beautiful? Look at how the sun comes in the mornings. Oh, it's gorgeous. And the view. Are you ready for some fall decor, little muffin? Before we get started though, I forgot. You wanna see what I bought? Ta-da! The grand hall of flowers. So here's what I got to decorate. Tons of these guys. We got tons of these little like daisy looking ones. Random these things. I don't even know what you would call these. We even got some semi-dead looking plants to really bring in the fall vibes. Usually I'm not like a huge fan of stuff like this. I'm more of like a glamorous red roses kind of bitch, but excuse me. Don't eat the project. Also got some butterflies and the candles. Isn't this fun? This one even had a pumpkin lid. Dun da da. Bippity boppity. Fall. First things first, flowers.
So we're just gonna take all of the flowers and line them up and just kind of put them roguely in vases.
Are you here to be my assistant? Yes? My assistant who eats my projects?
There is no rhyme or reason to this. I'm just gonna plop them in there and that's it. You know, I think the more chaotic, the better. Layer them up a little bit, put some fun gold ones up in the back here to make it give it more like a three-dimensional vibe. Did a couple other ones, made some big ones for the corner here.
I have one of those vintage Louis Vuitton trunks. This thing is so heavy. I have always seen those pictures on Pinterest that are just like so aesthetic with the flowers in there. So I thought it'd be fun to do my own version of that. All right, so we got the trunk and let's see, let's open this pupper up. And I guess we'll just put the flowers in it. I don't know if there's any rhyme or reason to this, but.
So I literally just threw those in the same way I did the other bouquets. La 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 la. Anyone could do this, you guys. It is so not hard at all. You just put stuff in stuff. So easy. DIY. And if you keep doing that, eventually it's gonna look like a garden.
Beautiful, just like Pinterest. Okay, so now I want to decorate the mantle because this just needs some pizzazz.
So, yep, guess what? Bada bing, bada boom. These are not professional videos, you guys. This is just a random girl decorating her house how she does. As I like to call them, unprofessional tutorials. But yeah, just kind of laid those out and ta-da. Cool. DIY garland style.
Okay, so this is my harp, and I actually didn't think of this till just now, but how fun would it be to put butterflies all over it? So cute.
I also did a little butterfly arrangement here. I put those on some double-sided tape and voila.
Okay, side note, you guys might remember, I bought these in London like 3 months ago. Still haven't hung them up, so we're gonna do that and make this a little more fantasy. Construction Amber on the move. Okay, I really need to get someone to hang those up professionally and evenly, but for now, cool.
P.S. You guys know I have tons and tons of books. I just love collecting old books. I think they're the most beautiful things in the world.
So for fun, I thought I'd show you some of my most favorite books I have.
My Fairyland books. It's a really famous Australian illustrator, but she just draws the most magical little things. Like, these are just some of the most beautiful illustrations in the world. I love them so, so much. Like, some of my favorite illustrations in the world. Beautiful.
These are actually antique versions, but this one you can actually get on Amazon.
So we'll put that one up open with some of my other prettiest books to finish this.
Oh.
Oh yeah, show off the booty.
All right, now that I'm done decorating, I'm gonna go give myself a makeover. Ta-da! So talented. Before I do the grand reveal though, quick announcement.
In the spirit of witchy season, you guys know I love to manifest, law of attraction. So I have restocked the mantra necklaces on 333. You can see they say the universe conspires to give me all I desire, all I wish to be, I am, luck belongs to me, fortune favors my heart, all magic is mine. So with lots of love from me to you, a little bit of magic this holiday season.
I know it's not quite the season to be thankful yet officially, but thank you from the bottom of my heart. Sky Castle and nothing I do would be possible without you. Luckiest girl in the world. Truly, that belongs to me. Mwah! Thanks.
Hello. Okay, are you ready to show them? Da-da-da-da-da. Drum roll, please.
So you guys remember the before and ta-da!
Welcome to Fairy Princess Land.
Ta-da! Outfit of the day, by the way. I really should have worn my fairy costume, but anyways. Here's the little grand fall tour. We'll start with the beautiful little corner. You can see the flower arrangement. It really came out so good. And again, oh my gosh, the aesthetics, so vibes. And did you catch? They almost match. I love flowers in windows, especially when the night comes through. It's gonna look just spectacular. This is my favorite corner of the whole house. I don't know, it's just got some magic in it.
Curious George.
I love the little butterflies. I'm obsessed with just putting those everywhere to make it look very like festive and beautiful. The little butterflies actually came out so fun too. I really wish I didn't have a nail in the wall. I was trying to hang a painting earlier and if I take it out, there's a giant hole. So anyways, that's that story, but this is so good. I love this. I'm definitely gonna have to take an aesthetic Tumblr picture of it. gorgeous. Came out perfect. La 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 la. I know you guys are gonna roast me for not having anything in my frames. Still, it's because I'm a perfectionist and that takes time. So I'll get to it when I get to it. So pretend there's something in the frame, but how beautiful do the little butterflies look? Oh, I will forever be obsessed with this purchase. This is my best dumb purchase I've ever made.
I think for Halloween, I'm gonna do something like this. Spider webs, you know, the whole 9 yards. Oh!
Just wait till I turn this place into the Haunted Mansion for Halloween. That's gonna be so good. Gosh, you guys are gonna just like, comment, subscribe. Ta-da! The mantle came out super cute too. You can see I just have all the flowers. I mean, this is a very busy mantle anyway, so I didn't wanna like do too much, you know, but we do have all the pretty flowers with the books. I should really turn this on. There we go. Cool. I wish there was smell-o-vision because this smells amazing. I love old art. Maybe this is what I should hang in the frames. This is another one of my favorites. Look at that. What is time to us? Oh, I love it. I'm gonna cry, I love it so much. I didn't do anything here yet because I'm still waiting on getting my piano. I know, George, we didn't put a piano here yet, but at least I have that done. Like I said, y'all, perfectionism really takes a long time to do everything. Just imagine when I have a giant piano there. Oh, it's gonna be flames. Just a dream. Play some Taylor Swift August and just dance in here. I'm gonna try and make a TikTok right now. Are you ready? I'm like geriatric for making TikToks, but I'm gonna try anyway.
I mean, I'm no TikTok mastermind, but I tried.
And that is my fairy princess land fall decor. On that note, I love you guys so, so, so very much. Fall kisses and a little bit of fairy dust too. From me to you, XO. There may be spiders in here. I'm very afraid of them. So I'm too scared to go in here. Thank you for being brave.
Do you want to say hi and be in the video?
Hello. This is my best friend.